That's my vegetable oil. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a stir fry salad. Yes, that is my stir fry. It's a mixed vegetable stir fry. So I'm adding my mixed vegetable stir fry in my hot vegetable oil. I wanted to add some more oil, but not too much, just a little oil in there. So mix together as I do. So it's time for me to add peri-peri sauce. This sauce will take your salad into another level. That's me adding aromat in there. It's a very simple salad, but it's very tasty also. Healthy, tasty, and simple salad. Stir together. So we are almost done. Mouth watering. As you can see, it's delicious. So now it's time for me to add my cheese. Yo guys, my cheese was frozen. It is what do you call it? It's a grated cheese, cheddar cheese. Yes, it's a grated cheddar cheese, but it was frozen. This one, you don't have to use the frozen one. So it's time for me to mix everything together. So I'm trying to melt my cheese in there because it was frozen. Your cheese is supposed to melt together with, it must blend together with your vegetables. Yes, I am mixing everything together. Yep, we are almost done. So it's time for mayo. I'm adding my mayonnaise in a separate bowl. Then take your cooked vegetables and pour it in your mayo bowl. So make sure that your vegetables are no longer that hot. Yeah, mix everything together, guys. This salad was very tasty, very tasty and simple salad. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.